Lenovo's not the first name you associate with cameras, but Lenovo has made a camera. This is the Mirage, and like many smartphones you see today, it's got two camera lenses, but this isn't for that blurred background bokeh nonsense. These are two lenses that give you a 180-degree wide-angle view, and it's very cool indeed. 360-degree pictures may be the thing you most associate with video, but you really do have to make an effort to see everything that's going on. You might miss things behind you. Most of the time you just want to sit down, enjoy the picture. That's Lenovo's thinking behind including a 180-degree camera rather than a 360-degree camera, because you actually get to just move your head side to side, enjoy the picture. These two lenses on the front, they're 13 megapixels apiece, and the pictures that they take are for viewing on your phone, but ideally in a virtual reality headset. Now, Lenovo has also come out with this. This is the Mirage VR headset, and it uses Google's Daydream VR system. And although these two work together really well, you don't have to have this, because this little camera has Wi-Fi and it connects to Google Photos. So you just upload all your pictures to Google Photos and you can view them on your phone. You can view them on your regular Daydream VR headset. The idea is that this could come out with you on a day out, shoot a wonderful picture, or it could even sit in the corner of a room, and because it's Wi-Fi connected and can stream video, it could stream your birthday party, your whatever gathering you might have at home, or wherever you put the camera, it streams that live to a VR headset anywhere in the world. And that suddenly gives you a lot of opportunities for letting people join in way beyond a regular video call on Skype, for example. So we think there's quite a few creative opportunities with this. Couple of specs for you. It's got 16 gigabytes of internal memory, and behind this little panel here, there's a micro SD card slot to add another 128. So you're not going to have to worry about storage too much on there. It's also really lightweight, super pocketable. You can slip this quite happily into our pocket and you never know that you're carrying it around. Really essential for any camera. There's even a tripod mount on the bottom. So this little camera is going to come out hopefully before the summer, making it ideal for your summer holidays. And Lenovo is targeting a price that's less than $300. That's not confirmed. We're going to find out closer to the launch time. So that's Lenovo's first ever camera. Two lenses, 180-degree field of view, made for VR. It's the Lenovo Mirage camera.